Hi, welcome again to my channel. Yes. So this is a follow-up video about the question and answer. Remember? Because this morning I did a video about I did no, I was online kasi I was live on TikTok. So thank you so much. Thank you for those who are watching my live. And then I was also live here sa Akwang channel this morning. So yes, thank you so much. And then yes, this is a follow-up video pala from the video, the Q&A. Yes. Because some viewers likes it. So shout out pala kay Win Talker. So we gonna ask Torjak later. No, before kasi ang name ni Torjak is Mr. White. But after that, it's keep changing. He have so many screen name. Torjak, Mighty Tor, and then Mr. White, ano pa? Dati kasi akala ko ano siya, may pagka Bruce Willis siya before nung na-meet ko siya at the first time, may pagka Bruce Willis siya. And then nung nag-ano kami, eto lang ha, share ko lang. That time na first namin nag-etut, may parang 3 seconds na nasa taas ako. And then after all I can see is Bruce Willis. Oo, totoo yan, hindi ako nagloloko. So, ewan ko share ko lang kasi 'di ba may mga movie, totoo pala may mga movie pala yung sa mga movie nakikita natin na may there are times that you see someone like for him before with Torjak, uh like at 3 seconds I thought I was with etudes with Bruce Willis. Anyway, sige na. So yes, so this is a follow-up video. So si Win Talker, sabi niya na-enjoy daw, he was enjoying the video daw about about life and then relationship. So he wants second follow-up video. So this is about our story about the ups and downs. So okay, let's welcome Torjak. Joke wala. Wait, Torjak is inside the kitchen, so I'm gonna call him. I will come back. Babe, you gonna be my special guest again? It's a special guest in my video. Come here, come over. This is a follow-up video about the other day when we did the question and answer. So some viewers, they are really uy, ayaw pagkita dira. Some viewers are happy about that video. They like to see it daw, very nice daw. Sometimes though they like to watch something like that kind of video where conversation ba, long,
Okay.
yeah, and then because as I said, this time kasi there's so many fakes na and you don't really know most of the kasi post now are they seem so happy in the but it's all fake, so it's just for the views. So yeah, so he said as he was he said share about the ups and downs of our relationship.
What is it? It is
Because it's really
that's
nice daw,
she wanted.
the last time daw we have daw the last video we have daw banding. Oh, gihubak si Torjak, excuse me.
Sorry, guys. Um, you want to know the truth? We've been arguing for 2 days, and we just, kind of met up an hour ago. So upside down, they're gonna be upside down. But if you love each other, then you got to make it work on it. Just like it's never gonna be rosy and ooh, always nice. We're a perfect couple. This that. People love to show only. This is a bit of social media. Is a bit like that, Anna. People love to show just the good part. You know what I mean? But there's never only good parts. Relationship are a lot of work. You just have to go with the up and down and up and down, and and if you decide to be together, if you decide you love each other, then you just stick together. And the most important thing about relationship, it's talk. Talk about it.
Communication.
Communication. Talk about the
It's
problem.
true.
Talk
It's
about the
really true.
problem. Find the solution to the problem. It's just like you know, it's just my grandma. She died when she was 99 years old, and you know what she said? She said when we were young, when something was broken, we fix it. You know what I mean? So if your shoes are broken, you fix it. You don't buy a you don't buy a new pair. If your jacket is broken, you go to the tailor and you fix it. They used to keep things, and it's the same with the relationship. You gotta fix things. Do you know what I mean? Because it's never gonna be perfect. Never. You know what I
Diba?
mean?
Now no, it's so easy. If there is something wrong in the relationship, right away cheating or right away left behind like that, but it's easy to leave right away the person. They don't try to fix now. So diba, it's like that now.
Yeah. I mean, it's easy. Doesn't work. We divorce. We find another girl, or it's not. No girl is gonna be perfect. No guy is gonna be perfect. None. No one is perfect. What I mean? You're never gonna find the perfect guy. Who's never gonna make any mistake and this and that. You know what I mean? So if as soon as you don't like something, then you break up, then you're going to do that the next time and the next time and the next time and the next time. So find someone who is honest, who is loyal, and who is suitable to you, and fight for it. You know what I mean? Or just stay single. I mean, there's a lot of people who are happy single as well. You know what I mean? There's no problem with that. But if you want to have a relationship, then you got to go with the ups and down, because otherwise it's not gonna work. But at the end of the day, you got to talk, make up, and um,
The
then
best thing,
then
makeup.
admit, yeah, the makeup is the best thing. uh,
Hipay kasi Tor. Kili, 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 kili.
I like the makeup. uh, but yeah, just fight for it. You know what I mean? Just like, if you really love the person, then and I really love my wife. It's just like, don't be afraid to admit your mistake. Everyone make mistake, mate. No one is perfect. I make mistake. She make mistakes. If you don't make mistakes, you don't human. You learn when you make a mistake. You learn. You learn. Then you talk. Then you not don't make the mistake again. This is how life goes. You're always gonna make mistake. You're not gonna learn how to ride a car and be a Formula One driver straight away. You're gonna make mistakes. You know what I mean? Maybe you're going to have a crash or two, or what I mean, then you're going to learn properly, then you're going to be a good driver eventually. This is the way it goes.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Torjak, for that wonderful. Again, give a round of the what's that? A round of a what's that? Basta palakpakan
A round of applause.
of applause. Okay. So yeah, so yun. So yeah, so if you have another request video, what's this? If you have questions, another Q&A question, follow up with this video. So let's talk that here. Oo. So I think that's all for now. That's all for today. Oo. Oo. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone. And I do believe, sure. I do believe, okay, this is for me lang ha. This is ang ending na to, ending message. I do believe na not 'di ba, look those I always if there is if we are arguing si Torjak, if we have that if we have problems like that, I always look back the wedding picture. So every time I see that wedding picture, it's really, it's make me cry. I have that teary eyes because I don't know, I cannot explain. Like you can see the yung expression sa amo ang face. You can really see that we are so happy and we really choose to be to be ano married like that, because for us kasi marriage is really ano, for me I believe in marriage, oo. So and then for me I always think na imagine those people or couple that who reach 25 years wedding anniversary or 50 years together like that. So imagine this ano, this couple, they are also not ano perfect. I'm sure all they will not going to reach that ano years kung there's if there is no ano also ups and downs. So yes, so as I Stojak said, fight for it. Oo, if you really love. Oo. Ay basta yun na, oo. Okay, so I need to end this video. It's a long video ha. So yes. Okay, bye.